Welcome to the Biddeford Regional Center of Technology, where your future starts today. We offer over 30 classes across 15 career clusters designed to prepare you for success in high-demand, high-paying fields. At BRCOT, our programs are built on current industry standards, so you'll be learning the latest techniques and technologies. All our teachers bring real-world experience from their respective fields, offering you relevant, hands-on training to jumpstart your career. Imagine earning college credits, gaining industry-recognized certifications, and even working towards state licensing, all for free. At BRCOT, you'll save time and money while getting a competitive edge in college and your future career. Our programs are as diverse as your dreams. Auto body. Learn more than fixing dents. Master color mixtures, metallurgy, and advanced repair techniques. Automotive technology. Go beyond being a backyard mechanic. Discover modern repair methods and career pathways in the automotive industry. Electrical technology. Complete a nationally recognized curriculum and earn credits towards your main journeyman's license. Residential carpentry. Build real-world projects, gain OSHA 10 certification, and use your creativity to construct a solid career. Plumbing and heating. Enter a high-paying trade with nationally recognized training that leads to licensing. Do you love design and innovation? Manufacturing technology. Create precision parts for aerospace, medical, and engineering industries. Engineering and architecture design. Solve real-world problems with cutting-edge software while preparing for college-level study. Welding and metal fabrication. Master welding and earn certifications for high-demand jobs in this exciting field. Are you passionate about healthcare? Intro to medical science. Explore over 3,000 healthcare careers, job shadow professionals, and earn your CPR certification. CNA Health Assistant. Gain hands-on clinical experience and prepare for the Maine State Nursing Assistant exam. Sports medicine and athletic training. Learn injury prevention, rehabilitation, and sports psychology. Emergency medical services. Train to become an EMT and earn your National Registry certification. Do you dream of becoming a teacher or working with children? Teaching and education. Get classroom experience and earn credits toward EdTech 1 certification. Early education. Work directly with children in a hands-on learning lab and explore pathways in teaching, social work, or therapy. Love the idea of business and technology? Business studies. Dive into marketing, management, and entrepreneurship while gaining real-world experience with local businesses. Computer technology. Design and develop software, explore programming, and earn certifications like CompTIA. Our exciting 2-year culinary arts program equips students with essential skills to excel in a dynamic and diverse culinary field. Learn fundamental and advanced techniques, including menu planning, kitchen management, and the latest culinary trends. This program fosters creativity and adaptability in an ever-changing industry. Hospitality, travel, and tourism. Love to travel or plan events? This interactive and dynamic program prepares you for the thrilling careers in the local and global hospitality industry. Develop skills in customer service, event management, and hotel and restaurant operations. Gain hands-on experience at local establishments and events, collaborating with culinary students for real-world projects. Not sure what career is right for you? Try one of our career exploration electives like digital media, robotics, food and farming, or Project Bike. At BRCOT, career development is at the heart of everything we do. Through internships, job shadows, and hands-on experiences, you'll develop the skills and confidence to succeed in any path you choose. And let's not forget, we also offer a technical math class. This is a fun and project-based math program to help students gain skills for everyday living. So, if you're ready to transform your high school years and explore your potential, apply online today. Your future starts here at the Biddeford Regional Center of Technology, where learning meets opportunity.